Hello everyone, this is Shraddha Agarwal and I welcome you all to day one of Positive Vibes with Shraddha. Today we are going to deal with a very important topic, responsibility, which is also going to be the basis of all the future topics that we would be dealing in our session. So let us begin. Nobody understands me. I got delayed because of the traffic. I don't have enough money to buy what I wish to. My career is at stake because of my boss. We often hear these statements. We put our blame on the things, the people around us. It could be boss, parents, siblings, peer, colleagues, friends, weather, economy, lack of money. Everything that we find we can put our blame on, we do that. We have been conditioned to do that since childhood actually. But what we don't realize is that these are all the external circumstances and we cannot deal with them. What we can deal with is the internal circumstances or what lies within us. So we have to take a step to change this thought. Rather than putting the blame on the things outside, we have to look for inside. Let us take an example of the pandemic 2020. All of us are stuck in this at the same time. We had never thought of this, that at any point in our life we would be facing such a thing. But what is happening? We all are living. We all are adjusting to it. Till how long are we going to blame this and put all the blame on the pandemic because I did not do something? People have found out ways to live. They have found out ways to connect with people, bond with family members, cook new meals, get into their hobbies, reinvent themselves, connect with people, also newer ways to find the way that we can do our businesses with. This is all that we have actually found out when we are in this trouble. The fact is that if we want to create a life of our dreams or what we desire, we have to take the 100% responsibility of whatever we do. We cannot blame the circumstances outside. We have to see what is the difference that we can bring in ourselves so that we can get the different responses. It is as simple as that. If you want to do the similar thing, if you are doing it every day, and if you get the same responses, whose fault is it? Let me give you an example here. My daughter used to come from school and I used to ask her every day, "How was your school today?" She used to tell me every day, "It was good." Now this was not something I would be expecting, but I did not realize that I am also asking her the same question. So the next time I tweaked the question. I asked her, "So how was your day in school and what was interesting about it?" So forgetting the first half of the question, she told me what all was interesting about the day in school that day. So this is what I did to change it and I got my answer. We have to remember that if we are giving the similar questions, we will get similar answers. But if we want different results, we have to give the different responses to it also. We have to change our thoughts from the negative to the positive. We have to change our attitude, our behavior towards things. We even have to might change our circle of friends for that matter, the books we read, and how we are getting along with the people around us. To bring the change, we have to change this, and you will see the difference that will happen in your life. The positive affirmation for the today would be that I am bringing that positive change around me. I am moving with ease and comfort towards the life where I am what I will be having.